They fined me $1,600 for unauthorized electrical infrastructure, so I made them rewrite the rules that got me fined in the first place. I live in a beige stucco townhouse on a quiet cul-de-sac lined with crepe myrtles. Same model homes, same gray driveways, same matching mailboxes. The kind of neighborhood where even your trash bins have to face the same direction. I just bought my first electric car, a deep blue sedan that gleamed like wet ink under the sun. I had a licensed electrician install a charger in my garage. Clean conduit lines, city permit on the wall, inspection sticker right next to it. Everything above board. A week later, I found a white envelope taped to my front door with that smug HOA letterhead. It said I owed $1,600 for violating community safety rules. I called the number at the bottom. The board president answered in her clipped voice. "It's an unauthorized modification," she said. "It's in my garage," I told her. "It's permitted by the city." She sighed like I was a child who didn't understand adult matters. "These chargers can affect shared electrical systems. There's a potential fire risk." That's when neighbors started asking if my house was dangerous. One even asked if my car could explode. That insulted me more than the fine. So I called my attorney, a guy who drives a Tesla and loves this kind of nonsense. We requested the HOA's proof. First, we asked for the insurance company's letter that supposedly flagged my charger. There wasn't one. Next, we got the city's inspection report. Full approval, signed in blue ink by the chief inspector. Then we asked for the HOA's own electrical assessment. They didn't have that either. Instead, they had an email from one board member who wrote, and I quote, "I heard EV chargers overload grids. We need to stop this before the neighborhood changes." That line lit me up. Before the neighborhood changes? Yeah, that said it all. At the hearing, we rolled out the evidence like a show and tell. City permit, inspection approval, and a printout of California Civil Code Section 4745, which states HOAs can't prohibit or unreasonably restrict EV charging equipment on private property. The judge barely looked at the board before saying, "This fine is dismissed." But it didn't stop there. The order required the HOA to update its rules to comply with state law, remove every trace of the violation from my record, and stop spreading unverified safety claims. If they kept interfering, they'd face penalties, actual monetary ones. I heard later that their legal fees alone topped $8,000, and 2 board members resigned within a month. Now, the same HOA that tried to ban my charger is hosting EV readiness workshops in the clubhouse. I walk past the sign every morning on my way to work, coffee in hand, and I can't help but smile. They tried to unplug my future. Instead, they powered up the law. I don't start fights, but I finish them legally.